Everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change audio volume in DaVinci Resolve, adjust audio levels, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. So once you have already opened that and opened the project, just go ahead and add in your clip here onto the timeline. So let's drag and drop it in here. So I have your clip and audio. So for us to be able to go ahead and adjust or change the volume for that, you'll just have to click onto the audio or clip in here. So it will automatically highlight both, and we're gonna open this one, the inspector. Click onto that and it should open the settings in here. So just click on audio, and as you can see, we have the volume in there. So for you to be able to adjust the audio, you could make this louder by swiping this to right, and you could make this lower by swiping to left. So feel free to adjust this as per your liking. You could do a preview as well so that you could hear the sound of it if you're good to go, or if you want to adjust more onto its volume. And that is just how easy you could change audio volume in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.